Hey everybody, it's Chill Pumpkin here. Today we're going to look at the Ashland Halloween Gumball machine. This is from Michaels and it is from the Vintage Spirits collection. So this is a really neat gumball machine. It's got a metal bow tie here. This is metal. And this is featured in, like I said, the Vintage Spirits collection at Michaels. Really, really neat. So it's got the feature here. There you go. And then whatever you put in there, if you put gumballs, other types of candy, that comes out there. It's got the arms, they kind of wiggle. They don't like go up or down or anything, but they just kind of wiggle, which is neat. This is made, it does look like glass. It actually is like a really thick plastic. I will say it does scratch a little easy, just to be aware of that. If you have it on display or put it away, or maybe wrap it in some bubble wrap or plastic just to protect it while it's in storage. But it's really, really neat. This is something I was really excited to find, and it was at the top of my list so far for 2026 for Halloween finds. So we'll kind of get a wide angle look here. Very, very cool. Just love the detail on it. This is metal as well. Very well painted. It is, as you can see, for US, $139.99. A lot of stores for the Michaels online and everything have coupons, so just pull it up online. I had a 30% off coupon and a gift card, so I got this for a great price. So yeah, there's a good look at it. I definitely recommend picking this up. I am going to turn it around so you can see the rest of the features on this. But before I do that, we'll just kind of zoom in here so you can see how that works. So there's the mechanism in here, and when you turn this, you can see the candy or whatever you put in there. It goes in the springs and turns each time and then comes out. So really neat, like a full functioning gumball machine. So it's a display piece, but it's also is functioning. So that's really neat. Okay, so let's turn this around. So here's the back side of the pumpkin. Let's get a good look at it. Very cool. So this is the door here, obviously. So you open this up. It's a nice little metal door. So you would put the candy or whatever you want in here, and then it has the mechanism for here, so when you turn it, and then there's a little face on the inside. I think that's funny. Yeah, that's really neat. So you just open up and put that in there. There we go. Close it up. And that's the gumball machine. I appreciate everyone taking time to watch this today, and this is absolutely one of the cooler things I have in my collection. I'm very excited about it. I think it fits right in with like the vintage look of everything I like, and like I said, if you have the opportunity to buy this, I definitely recommend getting it as soon as possible because it will sell out fast and it's really neat. So yeah, I appreciate it. Everyone have a good day and thanks for watching.